Hi guys, in this episode of the Dutch colonial war in Aceh is actually a collection of pictures and tales written from numberless important historical events about the confrontation with the Dutch colonial power more than 100 years ago. The long, expensive, and heroic struggle of the war have been a major milestone in our endeavors to become a free nation. Not all these events have given us important meaning, but this war was indispensable from other important events which have given us a special meaning in maintaining the course of history that was started in the long past. The war that was declared one-sidedly by the colonial Dutch has delivered us heroes and martyrs like Tuku Umar, Cut Nyak Tuku Cik Ditiro, Cut Mutia, and many others. Their life and efforts have given something invaluable for the course of this nation's life. They have long been there, but their ideals, spirits, and value they strive for will always be with us in maintaining the path they have opened for us. The publication of this episode, in addition to the memories of those heroes and martyrs, is also one of our endless efforts to maintain their values and fighting spirit for the younger generations to come. They have done what they could during their times, and we are the ones who are responsible to give the meaning to what they have done to this nation. The efforts of the committee to publish this episode is a real endeavor that anyone has to give two thumbs up, as this is a real selfless effort to give meaning to the martyrs' heroic struggle. It is hoped that the new editions of the next episode of the Dutch colonial war in Aceh will be of use for us and those who live in the coming generations in the effort to understand how our predecessors struggled to establish the righteous right, our righteous right, and our children's and grandchildren's right. I truly recommend that for you to watch this episode until the end. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to support our channel.